you love me again. Love me again till the end.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing an end of summer or slash like overall just try on haul. So I'm going to be showing how these pieces look on, and I'm so excited about that because I feel like I always prefer try on hauls versus regular hauls. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started on with the video. So some of them are actually rented from Nuuly, but I thought I would include them in this little haul for you guys. So the first thing is from Nuuly, but the brand is called Wonder or Lost in Wonder. So this is a size small, so this is the little top. It looks like this. It's kind of like a reddish kind of orange color. I don't know, but it's just such a pretty color. I just love these types of little sleeves where you can wear them over the shoulder kind of thing. I got this little one from Nuuly. It is a black and white top, and I think it's so cute. I love the pattern of it. It's got this little what is it called, like a little tie in the front. It's so cute, and again with the sleeves it's pretty puffy. Love the black and white. It's kind of like a painting style. Okay, the next thing is also from Nuuly. So this top or slash kind of like cardigan, I don't really know what to call this. I wish I had like actually bought this because it's so cute, and although I do have it for some time, but I love how this is kind of like a distress, kind of a messy look. Is that what you would call it? But it's so cute. I got an extra small in this because it said that it runs like super big. Okay, this next thing, I actually wore it in my last video. So this is a little, what do you call it? I guess like a sweatshirt. It's just a simple kind of like pinkish violet sweatshirt. I just really love this top right here where it's got like this little pattern going on at the top. What? I love this little neckline thing because it's got this little pattern going on, which I think is really cute. And this is the brand Project Social Tee from LA, and it is a size small. Okay, next I have this top. This is also kind of like a reddish orange top. I think it's really cute as well. It's got like this thing where you can also wear it kind of like over the shoulder. I feel like it's a very like summery color, so I really like that. And this is the brand Free People, and it doesn't say the size. Oh, it's a size small, so I hope that it fits me correctly, but we'll see how it fits me. Okay, next I have some, or I guess like a few good enough amount of things from Trader Joe's. Next I have some things from TJ Maxx, not Trader Joe's. So the first thing from TJ Maxx that I have is a jean jacket. I actually got this in a large. I do not have this kind of like blue tint of jean jacket, so I only have one that is like a darker blue, and I really love it. It's kind of like a cropped one. I think I've showed it to you guys before. This one right here is a very light color, which I feel like is really nice for summer, and it's a size large, which I really love the idea of because I like oversized things. Okay, next I have a very kind of random thing, but I feel like it's essential to just be at home for and be lounging around with. So I got this. This is a little Calvin Klein super colorful little top. It's like a tank top, I guess you could say. I love this. I think it's so cute. It really stood out to me because of the colors. And this was $16.99, and it's from TJ Maxx, as I mentioned. But it says Calvin Klein all over the little, what are these? The little things right here. Okay, next, kind of to go along with the whole loungewear thing, I wear a lot of shorts in the house, so I love to wear kind of like just loungewear stuff since I'm home a lot, working from home and everything. So I wear a lot of shorts, and I believe I have like two. So I saw this one at TJ Maxx for, let me tell you how much it was. It was for $9.99, so like $10, and I thought it was so cute. It feels so comfortable. It feels super soft inside, and I just love the little like blue, light blue, whitish kind of shade colors that it's got going on. Next, I have gotten very kind of like obsessed with these like light brown colors, kind of like different shades of brown situations, which is what I've incorporated a lot in this like apartment. But I got this t-shirt because I feel like it was such a like simple, like best comfy thing to have. This is what the shirt looks like. It's kind of like a dark, more of a dark brown kind of, I think it's a brown orange kind of situation, but it was $7.99 and it is from American Eagle and it is a size small. I have 3 more things left. So the next is, they're all tops. Again, I'm obsessed with tops. But I want to show you guys this one right here. So this top right here I thought was really cute. They had it in gray and green, but this one stood out to me a little bit more because I don't really have anything green, which is kind of like, I don't know, like I just don't really gravitate towards like green tops. I love these types of tops where you like wrap them, and so it's got this like little crisscross style. So it's got the little tie right here too, and I just love that. So I thought this would be really cute. Okay, next I am obsessed still with tie-dye. So here we are with a tie-dye top. It looks like this. This is kind of like a little spiral thing, and it has some yellow and greens aside from the pinks and purples. So it looks like this. It is a crop top, which I really like because I feel like it's super convenient to wear around the house and stuff. This was $6.99 and it was from TJ Maxx. And it is a size small. I only saw a size small, so I just went for it. I kind of like oversized things, but I don't mind it because it is a crop top, so I'm excited to wear this. Okay, the last thing I guess you could say, aside from this top that I have on that I can also kind of show you guys, that's from Nuuly. But this one right here is a graphic t-shirt. I really liked this because I like the saying a lot. Let me just show you over here. So it says protect the lungs of the planet, and it says made in the USA, and I love the graphic. I think it's really cute. I love the orange, pink, and yellow, and I think it really stands out. I really wanted it to be oversized. I love oversized things. I'm just like obsessed with oversized things, especially tops. Okay, the last thing I guess I could mention is this top right here that I have on. This is from Nuuly, and I love, again, with the puffy sleeves. I love it. I think puffy sleeves are so cute. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I am so thankful for 900 of you that are subscribed to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, liking, and commenting and everything. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.